Hello, it is my pleasure to join PAPE Coordinating Summit 2024. My presentation outline is link between project management and business model and skills of the construction project manager. So we have 20 minutes to in our presentation journey. Let's start for introduce myself. Uh, My name is Mahmoud. I am project manager and CEO of MISC Group and technical office manager. I hold my master degree in structural engineering Cairo University. Hold my PMP at BMI. I am graduated from Cairo University. Um, our outline of our presentation is who is the project manager, who engineer and types of the engineer, uh, why we do a project and what is a project, define a project manager skills, link between a project manager and business portfolio, how to upgrade your skill to be a project manager, link between PIM and construction management, and conclusion and recommendation. Who is the project manager, engineer, and type? Uh, we will compare between project construction manager and consultant. Project construction manager uh, mainly have two skills, soft and technical skill, and he have three constraints in his work, uh, uh, between cost and the quality and time, which mainly it is three constraint of the project. And the other side, consultant, like project manager or the head of the consultant, mainly uh, uh, focusing on the technical skills uh, related to he improve quality of the project, then track the time of the project. So it is like the war between project construction manager and consultant during the timeline of the project. So it is have the soft skill and technical skill to be a professional project manager. Any project have many discipline or many department between architecture and civil and chemical communication and landscape, interior, mechanical, electrical. All department have three or four branch between design and the site construction and technical office and BIM. All branch of them have the hierarchy to reach to the project manager. We start like in the design or the construction from engineer to be the project of the head section of the design section of the design office or company, or start from the junior to be the project of the construction project. Similar for the BIM engineer or to technical office, which is the mix between the design and the construction. So we have percent for the each department of them. Design, we have the 5% in the project. Technicals have 20%. BIM have the 5%. Constructions or the site engineer or the have 70%. What is the project? Uh, project during the start or the end of the project, like similar or the puzzle, all of the drawing, all of the department in the are separate. In the final of the project, all image will be clear to all the project manager who has the full vision or the full scope or the full or the full image for the project, and help other to reach to this final scope. What is the project defined in the PMP? It is the temporary nature of the project indicate that the project has a defined beginning and the end. Project is a temporary individual undertaken to create a unique product or serve or the result. So project have the main old constraint between the scope and the time and cost. In the new extent of the constraint for PMI, we increase the risk and the quality and the resources to and the customer satisfaction to the new constraint for the project. So it is the photo for the power plant in the start of the project uh, and the end of the project, before and after. In the timeline of that time project, it is the main scope of the project engineer, project manager, especially construction, to help the project and all stakeholder and all the engineer and all the vendor uh, from this point to reach to the final in this point. Uh, then who is the project manager and his skill? Project manager, PIM, related to design or construction, or PIM, meeting project objective is the primary role of the project manager. We previous talk about the main objective or main constraint for the any project: cost or time or schedule. Then all project manager have main skills. Main skills will be uh, two type of the skill: hard skills and soft skills. Hard skill according to his study and his career path, his experience, like planning, budgeting, scheduling, risk management, time management. Soft skill mainly according to his character, and he is improvement in his character according to his communication skills, leadership, conflict resolution, negotiation, empathy, adaptability. Uh, in any project manager make sure to have two skills: hard skill and soft skill uh, together, not separate. Construction project manager. What do construction project manager do? Related to previous word, we can focusing in the construction project manager uh, work according to project planning, like timeline, ensuring task completion complete, budgeting management according to cost forecasting and assessment. Then resources coordination according to supplier and vendor communication. Construction project qualification. um, um, any project manager, especially construction, um, recommendation have 5 years in the construction industry to have all process cycle for the construction. uh, then it is must have the bachelor degree in construction management or related field in advance, to have a project management certification like PMP, RMB, and participate in the project management skill according to negotiation or communication. Link between the project manager and business portfolio. It is the main point in our presentation. Why we make a project engineering a project engineer? A project engineer is a part of the business portfolio. Yes, it is. Any project in our field, in our life, uh, have will be one of five department: market demand, social need, technology advance, legal requirement, customer request. Uh, we can talk about project like a factory, or the hospital, or a hotel. All of them, we make them according to portfolio business. uh, we have like a businessman or the global investment company make a decision according to his vision or to invest in hotels. Then he take his decision to invest in the hotel in the according to its strategy. It will be invest in the hotel in America or Africa, Asia, Europe. Then in Africa, it will be have five or four hotel. One each hotel like in Egypt and Tunis and Maghreb and South Africa. Uh, all of them have the separate project manager, but each project have time schedule and and budgeting and scope and separate location and separate stakeholder. All of the project will serve portfolio business according to the strategy of this company. It is the main. Without portfolio business, without the strategy of this company or this businessman, there is no project, there is no engineer working in this project, there is no project manager. So we can show there is a type of the project. Each project will be set up according to strategy of the businessman or the company. Like Nile City Tower in Egypt, it is the administration mega office. Hotel in Dubai, it is a commercial hotel. Building, it is a residential building. Mosque, it is a service Muslim. Power plant, mega project, it is a serve for the Egyptian government. It is one of the project I have worked in it. Factory, it is the serve the industrial industry. How to upgrade your skill to to be a project manager? I think the main upgrade to your skill, it is not the technical, it is the soft skill, like the communication skills and the listening skills. Communication skill to smooth communicate with all vendor or engineer or stakeholder in your project. Then listening to have the good listen, to have the good decision, to have the good achievement in your in your project. We can said uh, 80% for the good listening engineer, good listening project manager, it will be the good decision and project manager. Finally, we have a top project manager skills, between the communication and management and negotiation and budgeting and leadership and organization and problem solving. All of them serve to be the top project manager and the good project manager. Why to think to be a construction project manager? There are four benefits to be a construction project manager. First, your career path will be improved and to grow your in your community. Then your salary to be grow according to your experience. Then you have a good job stability. Then you have community development in according to your close network and the close stakeholder in mega project. So first you will be uh, start in the career path, improve in your career path. Then your salary will be grow, you have stability in your job. Then you will be have a good community. So it is chart for the our construction project skills, uh, mixing between soft and technical. It will be have the strong character, love movement in the site, good reading, drawing, have the ability of the safety, map and the quality, ability for the coordination between the all stakeholders in our project, fast tracking solving, link between PIM and project management. New trend for the building information management, PIM, to serve all department in one system. Uh, it PIM is the very advanced to close our cycle between design and build and operate. Then design, build, operate. Each cycle of the design have the project manager, build or the construction have the project operate have the construction. Then so we have the new trend of the PIM management or PIM manager. We have PIM rules, responsibility between the PIM manager and between the strategy and management and production. So BIM management, BIM project management skill have the good awareness in design, excellent awareness in BIM standard, recommendation BIM project process, ability for coordination, love admin office, make have the mix between the site of construction and the office, excellent BIM program. Finally, PIM Summit each year have a good bridge between fresh student, a fresh and fresh graduate, and the experience engineer in all discipline, to have the good invest in your in yourself. Thanks PIM Coordinator Summit 2024. For any question and discussion, it is my pleasure. Then all the time invest in yourself. It is my contact, Facebook and LinkedIn and channel YouTube and WhatsApp and my mail. Thanks PIM Summit 24 for this cooperation, and I hope all speaker and all audience have a good time, and it is my pleasure to join in many event in the future. Thank you. Goodbye.